Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Seth, and tonight we are going to be exploring the Pleiades star cluster. As this is my first video, let me start off with briefly explaining why I decided to create this channel, Astro Lasher. Since I was young, I've always had an interest in outer space and our galaxy in general. My dad used to take me to a planetarium near us, where I would learn the stories behind all the different constellations and just about outer space in general, and I believe this truly piqued my interest in learning more about astronomy and one day exploring the universe myself. Now that COVID is happening and I'm stuck in quarantine, I decided to take the resources that I have and work to learn astrophotography. Quite a while ago, my grandfather gifted me a Celestron telescope, which, with its high focal length and also from LA with a lot of light pollution, doesn't serve me much of a purpose other than for planetary astronomy. Earlier in quarantine, when I first started out, I used this telescope just for that. I was able to connect a Canon DSLR camera to the telescope and take stunning images of Jupiter, Saturn, and Mars. However, I soon came to realize that in a Bortle 9 area with my rig, there would be little that I would be able to photograph other than planets. Despite this, I decided to upgrade my rig and get the Skywatcher Star Adventure Pro package. Although I can't really use it from my backyard, I'm able to drive 1 to 2 hours away from my house and get to beautiful, dark site locations. Although I'm extremely pleased with the progress that I've made from the beginning of quarantine to now, I've come to realize how much knowledge and how much experience is needed into getting more beautiful images that I see from other YouTubers. That is why, finally getting to the point, I decided to create this channel. I hope that this will be a way for me to track the progress that I make and also to share my passion of astrophotography to everyone else out on YouTube. So I really hope you do enjoy this video and the videos to come. Now that that is out of the way, let's jump right into the video, where I'm going to be photographing the Pleiades star cluster. So I'm currently out at the dark site location. It is about an hour and a half from where I live in LA, and it is a Bortle 4, Bortle 5 in terms of light pollution rating. Behind me, just over here, you can see the rig that I'm using, which is a Skywatcher Star Adventure, a Canon DSLR 77D, and a 300mm f4 lens for the DSLR. And in terms of the specs on the photos that I'm taking, it is ISO 800 with a shutter speed of 1 hour, 1 minute and 15 seconds, and I'm probably going to leave it running for about maybe 1.5 hours. It's already ran a little bit behind me, and I'm imaging the Pleiades star cluster. So I guess I'll just see you when I get back to my house to process the data. If you missed what I said, I was using a Canon 300mm f4 lens with a DSLR camera on the Skywatcher Star Adventure, as seen in this photo above. While I'm not going into my image processing techniques, because I can assure you there are plenty of better tutorials on YouTube, I really do hope you enjoy the final product.